while promoting cars,
Yes.
we're going to celebrate the 12 days of Christmas,
Okay.
okay? And we'll alternate. I have something to represent each of the gifts from the 12 Days of Christmas song.
Oh, that's fun.
I think you should sing everything,
That's not fun.
especially the 5 golden rings.
Yeah, that's not
And Kaitlyn, why don't you tell them about their idea?
their idea?
Or,
You mean my idea?
yes, your idea.
I don't know if this was their idea.
I was watching signals behind the camera. I got thrown up.
My
Ladies and gentlemen,
idea-
Kaitlyn's idea.
Gingerbread house competition.
We are going to have a gingerbread house putting together competition
Yep.
as well.
Yes, we are.
And we're going to sell cars.
Love it.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right.
This is a fun show.
Which one? All right, we're starting with, what are we starting with?
I don't know. This
All
is
right, I'm going to give you an example because you'll have to do the next one.
Okay.
We're not
I don't
allowed-
know what you're talking about, but okay.
We're not allowed to have characters on the show anymore.
Correct.
So I have something to represent a partridge in a pear tree.
But what's that have to do with a partridge in a pear tree?
It's
a lid to a disposable coffee maker.
I know, but it's just symbolic. Kaitlyn, it's Christmas, it's miracles happen. Ladies and gentlemen, while Kaitlyn is doing that, behind us.
Oh, they're just all coffee lids.
Yes,
Oh,
yes.
I
So you
really
just
had
have to-
no idea where you were going with this one. I mean, I thought I could have been pulling out literal turtles
I'm just trying
or
to get a head
doves
start
or
on the
turtle
gingerbread.
doves. So now I pull out two of these.
Yes.
And do I like, okay, 2 turtle doves.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, behind us, there is a 2024 Cadillac CT4 Blackwing, and it is an arrival edition. The arrival edition, it is one of only 66, and this vehicle has a list price of $90,090. We are the only dealer in these fine United States, don't go too fast, in
Mine
these
are a
fine
little
United
cracked.
States that got 2 of each of the special. Kaitlyn broke her gingerbread house, guys.
No, it came
The
broken.
Mandarin editions from Cadillac, similar to the track editions from last year, the Arrival edition, as an example, will show you the only set of carbon fiber seats that are available in any CT4V Blackwing. And we have 2 of them. This one happens to have the adrenaline red accents, which are flipping awesome. Kaitlyn, why don't you tell them what the horsepower of the CT4V Blackwing
Sure. It has
is.
472 horsepower and 445 foot-pounds of torque.
Now, the details of the package will be found and listed on DelawareCadillac.com. That shows you all of the contents of the package.
What
because
the heck? Did you sabotage my house already? Oh, look, yours is broken too.
Yeah, okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the Arrival Edition, we have a second one that is coming in with the Sky Cool Gray accents.
Okay.
We also have, from the Arrival Edition, there is the Impact Edition, as well as the Elevation Edition. They are yet to come, and Delaware Cadillac, again, I say, #1 in the Philadelphia district, going on our 4th year in a row.
That's impressive.
Year to date. But #1 in the entire Northeast for V's and Blackwing sales. We're still waiting for the
Can I have the
national
scissors?
tallies. We're still waiting for the national tallies on whether or not we're #1 for all of them, but I know we are the only dealer that got 2 of each of the Mandarin editions.
Is it a speed competition here? Like, are we just seeing who finishes first,
I
or
think
who
so.
makes it most beautiful? Or is it all of the things
I
combined?
think all. We can have like a quality. 3 French hens.
Okay.
So it's your turn next. Oh my God, your house is like together already.
I don't mess around, you know?
You have to do 4 calling birds. Can I look at yours?
No, you can't cheat.
What do you mean?
I mean, if you really
It's the
want
same
true
house.
inspiration.
The V family is celebrating 20 years of existence today. Are you excited about that? You're
Yes.
breaking your house.
20
years of V. So why wouldn't we keep featuring them on our show? We've got them. We sell them all across the country. Even while I'm trying to assemble the gingerbread. I pull out the 5 golden rings. I think you should have to say 5 golden
I'm
rings.
not singing. How many times do I have to, like, tell you?
5 golden rings. Ba-dum, bum, bum. It's a 2020 Cadillac XT5 in garnet metallic. Ladies and gentlemen, this color is no longer in existence. Kaitlyn, why don't you tell them how much it is?
Sure. $37,485.
And Kaitlyn, it's a certified pre-owned car, so first you gotta.
Da 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 da.
You were concentrating pretty hard.
I was.
And then you get to say that it has not only the balance of the 4-year, 50,000 miles, ladies and gentlemen, but it also gets a year and
It's gonna fall if I let go.
and what?
Unlimited.
What was it?
Stop.
A year and you gotta do
Unlimited.
It's a year and unlimited miles. And Kaitlyn, at some point, you have to put your hand up to do the unlimited mileage.
Okay, unlimited. I really thought that I was way better at this than I actually am.
Oh, you know what?
What?
I think I noticed something. And I can't tell you anything. You already made me steal your
I
line.
am waiting for my house to set.
There's no excuses. You still have to do your part. Otherwise, that's cheating.
Okay, fine. My hands are covered in frosting.
Right? Do you think that the coffee lids are
6
going to be...
playing 1. I don't get this. 2, 3, oops, 4.
Keep going.
5,
You're doing
6,
great.
6 geese laying.
This is not...
I'm actually, it's coming along, guys.
My house is going to be a while. Leave me alone. Oh, the Escalade's behind us.
Oh my God.
This is a 2023 Dark Moon Metallic Escalade Premium Luxury Collection. It was an event car used at the U.S. Open.
What?
I'm not saying for definite, but either or both Serena or Venus Williams may or may not, in fact, have been anywhere near that car.
Stop.
However, some famous tennis player probably was, because it was used for the U.S. Open. And the offer or the opportunity is what on an Escalade, Kaitlyn? Yeah, I am like, this is horrible.
I don't even know what to say anymore. I almost feel a little bit sad for you.
7 swans a-swimming, ladies and gentlemen. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's your turn, Kaitlyn.
About what?
You have to pull. Stop making me say the things that you got to say when you pull it. You should have to sing it.
I'm not singing. We've already been over this fact.
All right. Well, then pull out the thing. Here.
This is fun. Not for you, but
I
for
hope it's
me.
entertaining for everybody else. Yeah, it's great.
Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, listen, put this video on pause. You can come back to watch it later. What I'd like you to do is go back to when we had Kaitlyn's baby shower so that you can see me winning and winning. I made such a better pregnant person than you. I think bonus cash. Can we see bonus cash?
I'm really into this, Harry. I don't think you understand that.
I know, but you're supposed to be doing that. Can we get bonus cash, please?
Yeah.
What's the instructions?
8 maids a milking.
Yes.
All right. 1, 2,
Is there a required
3,
way of
4,
doing
5,
this? I don't think there's a required way.
6, 7, 8 maids a milking.
Good job.
Thank you. Look at mine. No, I mean, but
Or
really
stay
though,
tuned
guys.
and keep watching.
You know,
7,
my tuning by
8.
accident.
9 ladies dancing, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh my gosh.
What are you saying about
1,
my house?
2,
What are they?
3, I don't know.
Like my house needs any other help
10
falling
more
over.
leaping. 4, 5,
I don't
6,
leap at my house.
7, 8, 9,
I'm almost there.
10. 10 more leaping. They were leaping to your house. Oh.
11 pipers piping. 3. That was 3, right?
I don't know.
4.
I'm done.
5. I've
Stop.
been done my house. 6.
Your house looks.
Great. 7. Say it. 8.
Your house looks great, Harry.
Breathtaking at first glance. 9.
Definitely only at first glance. Yeah, it takes my breath away because.
11 pipers piping, ladies and gentlemen.
All right. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. All right.
I technically was.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm hurrying for you. 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Drummers drumming. Woohoo!
Ladies and gentlemen, I think I won. That house is magnificent.
Ta-da!
I think I won, hands down. What do you
Yeah.
think? It's good.
Leave a comment and tell us your
I'd
vote.
live there. Okay. I hope you somehow had fun. I think we had some level of fun. I told you ahead of time I was horrible at this. Ladies and gentlemen, we truly do appreciate. Like, subscribe, watch this in fast forward or backwards, but go watch the baby shower show because I do so much
stop.
better at that stuff. I have to end this now because my house is just take
Exit 7.
and find out why everywhere other than right in that spot. Like this is more of a everywhere else is Cadillac heaven.